In a world built by code and circuits, one channel dares to teach the future. Welcome to Learn Robotics with Delta X. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to assemble the Delta X2 robot. We'll begin with the main body of the robot. All components, such as covers, bolts, nuts, and washers, have been pre-packed in the provided Ziploc bags. To start, install the cover onto the robot's upper arm. Reminder: each cover is fastened using 4 bolts, 2 M4 by 16 mm and 2 M4 by 12 mm. Once secured, continue by attaching the upper arm to the robot's main frame. Repeat the process for the other 2 arms. Moving on, we'll assemble the structural aluminum frame, which supports the entire robot system. Ensure that bolts, washers, and T-nuts are used in the correct order for stability. Pro tip: pre-mounting corner brackets on both ends of the 580 mm beams will make the assembly process smoother. Begin by constructing 2 rectangular frames, each sized 580 by 490 mm. Reminder: the 580 mm beams are placed inside and clamped at both ends with the 495 mm beams. Next, insert 2 T-nuts into each of the 580 mm and 495 mm bars for later steps. With one frame as the base, stand the remaining 4 580 mm bars vertically and fasten them using the pre-installed T-nuts. Let's move on to the X slider, which allows horizontal motion and expands the robot's working area. Before installation, attach corner brackets to both ends of the slider. Since this section bears the robot's weight, double-check that all fasteners are tightened securely after mounting it to the frame. The next step is to place the robot onto the slider mechanism. Underneath the slider, you'll find 3 adjustable white stoppers that can be fine-tuned with a hex key. Helpful tip: measure the hole spacing on the robot's frame, then adjust the 3 contact points on the slider accordingly. Once properly aligned, fasten the robot to the slider. Don't forget to use washers to protect the mechanical joints. At this point, things get simpler. Attach the 3 lower arms to the robot's head, then connect the moving base to complete the linkage. This section plays a critical role in connecting the robot to end effectors such as section modules or grippers. Up next is the vacuum module, which gives the robot the ability to pick and release objects effectively. Start by mounting the vacuum pump to the frame. Suggestion: install it on a moving aluminum bar, allowing it to travel with the robot and prevent hose tangling. Then, mount the solenoid valve to the rotary axis, axis 4, and attach the suction cup on top. Each module features quick release joints for easy handling. Once everything is in place, connect the module to the moving base. Twist gently until aligned, then tighten the bolts to lock it in. With the robot system in place, we'll finish off by adding the conveyor belt as a support module. Feed the green belt through the 2 guiding frames, then stretch both sides evenly. Each aluminum beam includes a sliding rail. Adjust the track to align with the connection point between the 2 guiding frames, then tighten it to ensure smooth movement. And that wraps up the complete assembly of the Delta X2 robot system. In the next video, we will show you how to connect and operate the robot. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel to learn robotics with Delta X. Stay tuned. Thinking about getting one of our products? Hit Add to Cart and fill in your name, address, and phone number. Choose your payment method, bank transfer, or PayPal. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our support team. We're happy to assist you.